Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asserted that the National Democratic Alliance is committed to advancing national progress and empowering the poor and downtrodden. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the Karma Yogi Saptah National Learning Week tomorrow in New Delhi. The Supreme Court today held that the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act cannot be stunned by personal laws, and marriages involving children violate the free will to have a life partner of choice. Indian Railways has reduced the advance ticket booking period by half. In a statement, Railways said that passengers will now be able to book train tickets up to 60 days in advance instead of previous 120 days. In Denmark Open Badminton, two-time Olympic medalist PV Sindhu will face Indonesia's world number 8 Gregoria Mariska Tunjung in the quarter-finals of the women's single this afternoon.